I guess we are getting an error. Let's see if the agent is smart enough to identify this error and then fixing it. So I think it went ahead and then created a implementation summary, but the application is failed. Let's wipe code a little bit. So, but it's still working on. I did create a new implementation MD instead of going and updating a task list. Come on, guys. No, I cannot create another bunch of set of MD file in my source code repository. My source code repository already looks like a bunch of like README file, and I have to search where is my code. I want the code. All right, I'm gonna install the plugin. Let's see. Maybe this is like installation issue. But agent did identify it didn't work fine, so it's kind of created. So this kind of like, I mean, inconsistent behavior or like vibe coding feel is what really scares me when I'm using a agentic platform in my application development. You can see this, right? Like if I'm not careful enough to watch it's what is actually doing, like what I want, maybe like based on the experience, like in the past stage, like I know like what the agent is doing right or wrong. But for the new people who doesn't have like a lot of experience in coding, they might see that like this is like correct behavior, and without learning or like without like realizing that, they just keep saying SSS like I'm doing. um, then kind of kills that the like developer vibe. So that's when you are not really doing anything. You are like simply kind of a clerical work where you just say approve, approve, approve. You're not writing anything, or you're not thinking, or you're not using your solutioning capabilities to develop an application. That's what is the main differentiator for the developers and then the product managers, right? The product managers define what and why, and the developers has to know how, and how like a technical implementation. Even though your AI is like writing your code, it's a kind of like a pair programming rather than giving all the control to the agent and then like you like sit back. But with the spec driven development, it's kind of doing that. So we have to keep it with pinch of salt. Okay, it's creating more tasks, and kind of created a test case, and it says summary and update the task list. Are you hearing me? Okay, so it kind of went ahead and then updated this task, so that's a good thing. But is my application running? So it says test result 1 passed, 11 passed. Oh, test file 1 passed, and like test cases are like 11. Fully this is completing, and then I can see if my application is running. Is it in the same network? So it started with nothing on the browser. Complete it. Verify size and compilation, maybe. But I just want to see it. Oh, build is failing. Iterate it.